Hello guys, it's still your boy Sensible. So this video I'm coming to teach you how you can successfully register your your Ridebnb account. Okay, how you can successfully um, register your Ridebnb account. Okay, so after you've made a deposit inside your account and it has reflected. Okay, after it has reflected, your upline will give you a link. Okay, so you copy the link. Don't click on the link, you just copy the link. Okay, you copy it like that, then you go to the account. Okay, you go to the SafeBal account. Okay, then you click on Explorer. The Explorer is added down here. Okay, click on Explorer. After you click on the Explorer, you see the search bar at the top here. Click on it and then paste the link. Click on it, then you paste the link. Okay, yeah. Okay, then you see this thing, this this network over here. Your own will be on Ethereum. Okay, yours will be on Ethereum. Then you change it, so you just click on that small arrow there, then at the top here you search OPBNB. Okay, you search OPBNB. OPBNB. Okay, something like this. So you see plus here, you see plus. So the plus you see, click on it so that it will mark like that. Okay, when it marks like that, you just click on this, just click on this tool for it to leave there. See that multiplication sign here? You just click on it, then you see that the network will be on the OPBNB or the network. So when it is done like that, then you click on go. You see go over here, so you click on it, click on go. Okay, and it will take you into the account. Your own, it will not come like this, it will ask you to register. Okay, so you click on register. After you click on register, it will ask you to confirm payment. Okay, then you click on confirm payment. When you click on confirm payment, then your own will be like this. You see your user ID, you see your rank, you see the date you registered, and then you see your upline's ID to over here. So when you bring your two people and you want to upgrade, okay, so now let's go with how you can get your referral links. Okay, so you copy your referral link over here. You copy your referral link, you just click on this thing over here and it will just copy automatically. Okay, when you click on it, it will just copy, then you can share it with your two people. Okay, so after your two people to register, you will see the packages over here. Okay, then you just click on it and then it will ask you to confirm payment, and you confirm payment, and you see that your rank will change from beginner to pioneer, from pioneer to achiever, from achiever to ambassador and co. Okay, these are the ranks. right here. Okay, it's on and on and on up to 12. So that's how to register and upgrade your account to different levels. Okay. uh So now, if you want to see your referrals, you see at the top here. And when you click on it, you see the people you refer. Okay. uh, After that, when you click on community, this is how it will come to. Okay, your two people, they are also two. This one, this is his two. This one, this is his also two. Okay. So that's how it is. This one too, his two. When you click on the three, you see the three. When you click on it, you see their downlines too. Okay, this one too, this is his downlines. It is on and on and on. Okay. So that's how it is. So yeah, so that's how to register, upgrade, then get your referral links. And this is when you click on downline, you'll be seeing them. This is your first level. When you click on two, you will get to your second level. Your second level downlines. And click on it. This is how it will come. The second level, the third level, the fourth level, and on and on. So that's how it is. So you bring these people, they pay you. These people too. All these four people are also going to pay you as an influencer. Okay, then you upgrade to achiever. So all these people coming to achiever are all going to pay. Okay. So that's how it is. On and on and on and on and on. So that's it. Thank you.